This one process got me overnight results. And if you start applying it, you're gonna see magical changes start to happen in your life, one thing after the other. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Juliet Cleary. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure to do so and give this video a thumbs up for me. If you would like to work with me, that information's in the description box below, as well as the links to my other YouTube channels. Now, I've been doing this one simple process for a little while now, maybe a couple of weeks, and I've seen massive shifts, massive changes, and it's a really fast way to get yourself on a high vibration from the beginning of the day and start to manifest things on autopilot without you even focusing on them. You can see results in literally one day, but apply this every single day. That's what I have been doing, and it trains you into a high vibrational state that matches your desire, and it just increases manifestations. And this is something so simple and so easy that you can do every single morning. When you first realize that you're awake, you first wake up in the morning, before you have a chance to think about anything, you are in a brainwave state called theta. And in this brainwave state, you have direct access to your subconscious mind. And your energy is very slow moving. So it is the perfect time to choose your attraction point, to choose the vibration that you want to emit today. The first moment that you realize you're awake, you are going to find a thought that feels exciting. And it's actually way easier to do that, to find that thought or that subject when you're in that brainwave state, because you're not in your analytical mind. What I do is the night before, I intend that I'm going to wake up feeling excited. I'm going to wake up and I'm going to already be in that feeling, or I'm going to focus on something and I'm going to feel excitement or some eagerness, some feeling of, joy or giddy. And what can also help you is to choose what you're going to focus on right now. So what are some things, some thoughts, some subjects, some interests, anything, it doesn't matter how silly or trivial it is, that makes you feel excited or giddy or eager, some fun thoughts, even something that you're looking forward to, something that you really, really appreciate. You want it to be a fun, easy, good feeling subject. So not something that you're trying to manifest that has a lot of resistance around. You want to start with something that feels super easy, like even just very trivial, just very fun, lighthearted, playful. And as you focus on something that feels exciting or close to the vibration of excitement, when you first wake up, when you have direct access to your subconscious mind, you set yourself up to be at that high vibrational state, and you allow yourself to manifest things that also feel that way. So things that would make you feel excited, things that would make you feel eager, things that are fun and playful, which is the end result of your desires. You would feel excited in having this thing. So we want to set up the feeling of excitement so that that becomes your dominant vibration. And then you just naturally, effortlessly attract things that are exciting without even thinking about them. So how I came across this process is that one morning I woke up, in alignment, in a high vibrational state. And naturally, my first thought was just really good feeling, fun thoughts about Christmas. So the thought that came to me was Disney Christmas pajamas, which is something that, little Christmas things and Disney things get me really excited. So it doesn't matter how trivial it is. We want to just set up that vibration within ourselves. And it made me feel so excited, which seemed silly, right? But I was in a brainwave state that allowed me to really feel that enthusiasm, right? And then when I came back into my analytical mind, the beta brainwave state, I was like, that's, pretty silly. That's a kind of, silly, trivial thought that made me feel so excited. But you will feel more elevated emotions in that state. Then after that, I started doing it on purpose. I started focusing on any little thing. So Christmas things I'm excited for coming up, something nice that my partner said, being excited about all the happy sunny weather we're having here, anything Disney and theme parks. I was just deliberately bringing those to my mind so that I could feel the emotion that matches things that I want without even focusing on them. Now, what you can also do is that if you feel good enough, you can begin to think more thoughts about more good feeling things, or even desires that you want that feel exciting. And this is something that I have begun to do now that I'm feeling more and more aligned. But that is optional. You can just start with something, anything that feels exciting, and you may need to practice. You may need to start with just a thought that feels like ease, or a thought that feels like interest, or something that feels, I don't know, optimistic before you get to excitement. But if you start with a subject that just feels so easy, like it can even be a past memory. This is not about trying to manifest something. It's about getting on a high vibrational frequency that matches what you want so it can come in easily. Now, if you want to add even more power to this process, you can think about the exciting, giddy subject or thought or thing before you go to sleep as well. What's so funny is that the first thought that came to me was those, Disney Christmas pajamas, and I manifested those. My partner bought them for me as a gift. But also so many other little and big magical things have been happening very consistently. And it's because I am the happiest and most highest, at the highest vibration that I've been at consistently ever. What I've noticed is that in all different areas of my life, more and more things are working out. More and more things are just happening, and just kind of magical experiences and synchronicities. I attracted my first viral Instagram reel from doing this process and meditation. So if you want the fastest, easiest way to tune yourself into a high vibration that matches your desire from the beginning of the day, it is this, right? We start with the subconscious mind. We start with the elevated emotion that matches your desire. Now, you could also choose, gratitude or appreciation as your emotion. I just wanted to go with excitement because it's truly how I want to feel every day, no matter what. And of course, I'm not going to constantly feel excited, but that is more of my dominant vibration now. So that is why I keep attracting things to me. This is just such an easy way to get momentum going, to get your energy at a high vibration and train it every single day. You are training your vibration into a high frequency, but you can have almost instant results. You can have results within a day, and that's what I have seen in my life. So try it out and let me know how you go in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure to share it and to subscribe if you haven't already. To work with me, that information's in the description box below. Have a Merry Christmas, and I'll see you next time.